Sure, rice flour Uttapam without curd is totally doable, and it's a game changer for anyone who doesn't use curd or is looking for a lighter, quicker variation. The texture, slightly crispy edges with a soft, spongy middle. Ideal. Here's how I make it. First, the batter. Simple, fast, no fermentation nonsense to worry about. Just 1 cup of rice flour, quarter cup of semolina for a little grit, and water. Mix it well until smooth and pourable. The trick here is balance. Too much water, your Uttapam falls apart. Too little water, it'll be dense and sad. Aim for pancake-like consistency. If in doubt, add a spoonful at a time. Trust me, you'll see the difference. Now, salt. Be precise, about ½ teaspoon. This is non-negotiable for flavor. Stir it in. If you like that slight tang that curd usually gives, add ¼ teaspoon of lemon juice. Subtle, but it works like magic. The toppings, you're in charge. Onions, tomatoes, green chilies, finely chopped. If you're like me and enjoy bold flavors, throw in coriander, curry leaves, or even some grated carrot. Go wild with color if you want. Pro tip: prep the toppings beforehand. The moment your batter hits the pan, you've got seconds before it semi-sets. Having your veggies ready to sprinkle saves you the awkward scramble. Bonus: uniform coverage. Use a non-stick pan, medium flame. Lightly oil it, don't drown it. Ladle in the batter and let it spread naturally. Don't mess with it. Thickness is key for that fluffy, soft center. About a ¼ inch is perfect. Now, sprinkle those toppings evenly. Press them lightly with the back of your spatula. This step ensures they stick. Otherwise, you'll end up with a confetti disaster when you flip it. Been there. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip carefully using a flat spatula. It's not a pancake you can freestyle flip. Don't press it down. Keep that fluff intact. Another 2 minutes on the other side should do it. Serve hot. Pair it with coconut chutney or sambar if you're feeling fancy. Or just some ketchup. It's not traditional, but hey, no judgments. The first bite will convince you this recipe's a keeper. Cleanup? Barely any. That's the beauty. 1 mixing bowl, 1 pan, and a spatula. Maximum flavor, minimal mess. It's a breakfast that feels gourmet but takes under 30 minutes from start to plate. And that's it. I'm Scott, dealing out no curd, Uttapam wisdom from Portland. Try this out and you'll see. Simplicity can be incredibly tasty. Share how it goes. I'd love to know if you tweak it too.